Hi Virgo, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and today we're going to be doing your Love Bite. Virgo, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind, okay? Take what works for you, just leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Virgo and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Virgo, let's start your reading. Welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here again. And Virgo, if you're new here, of course we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. Alright, so Virgo, 5 of Cups, the Empress, 7 of Cups, Ace of Cups, the Lovers, Judgment, Page of Pentacles, the Emperor, and the Sun. And here's the Queen of Cups as your overall energy. Lot of love here. There's a big cup of love here as well. So let's see what this is all about. Okay, so from what I see here, there's some choices and some decisions being made in love here. There is an Emperor and an Empress on the board here. Beautiful. But there's still a sense of some regrets and sorrow and feeling happy but not completely. So a lot of regrets about what didn't pan out. But the love is that strong that yes, somebody is making a decision now to maybe have a restart or a re-beginning. Let's see, Virgo, I'm going to take, I'm going to start with some dialogue message cards, see if you guys could say something to each other, and then we'll begin the reading, okay? Virgo and their person, if they could say something to each other, Spirit. Thank you. And Virgo, if any of you are looking for a personal reading, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. Virgo and their person, Spirit. Virgo and their person, if they could say something to each other. Okay. And I'm going to take a couple more from here, Virgo. Virgo and their person. Thank you. All right, Virgo, good to go. Let's begin your reading. It drives me crazy when you behave like a spoiled child who takes my love for granted. Yes, this could be this Queen of Cups. This Queen of Cups has a big, big, big cup of love always. Very sweet, very kind, very gentle, very emotional, and, has a love for everyone. So, yes, but it drives me crazy when you behave like a spoiled child who takes my love for granted. Yes, I love you unconditionally, but I'm not your parent, and quite frankly, your behavior takes the piss at me at times. You need to act like an adult for our relationship to work. Second card says, I can't believe how much time we wasted on bullshit. Next card says, I wish that you could love yourself the way that I love you. I had to lose you to learn to love myself unconditionally so that you could then learn to do the same. I'm now shining brighter and have faith that you will one day see the true love and light within you as I do. I haven't been happy for a long time. I want to restore your faith in me. I told you there's a re-beginning coming here. We've come too far to give up on us. Let's start over. See, Judgment card. Let's start over. These are like people coming out of their graves to have a rebirth. And yes, whoever was behaving like a spoiled child, Virgo is probably now turning up here as the Emperor. I have an Empress and an Emperor here now. I didn't know what love was until our fated meeting. I pray that God will unite us soon because you are my destiny. I love you till the end of times. You can't imagine how much I love you. You are the man, oblique woman, that every man, oblique woman desires. I know that I can count on you, and I will show you that you can count on me too. Though I haven't always said it with words, there is love in the silence. Close your eyes and feel my presence. Be still and listen to me tell you that I love you. No matter how complicated this gets, I won't ever give up on you or us. Beautiful messages, Virgo. Let's see what's happening here. I'm going to start with an angel blessing card. Let's see how my angels are going to bless this reading, Virgo, for you with a blessing, guidance, advice, or a message first. Blessing or healing. Yes, healing is coming to this relationship. I do see things may have not gone as perfect as you would have wanted. There is a lot of regret and sorrow looking back at the past, but healing is coming to this connection from what I see. Things are renewing for you guys because you don't get an empress and an emperor with the lovers and an ace of cups all at the same time, unless there's something not very good not coming for you. This is a beautiful reading. The angels are sending you healing. Okay, so let's start with your reading. Spirit, why is the Five of Cups here for Virgo? Why is the Five of Cups here? My God, you guys are a true pair. I have a King of Cups now. I have a King of Cups and a Queen of Cups on the table, and I have an Emperor and an Empress. Okay, so what's the regret about, Spirit? What's the regret about? One more. What's the regret about? Somebody had to make a choice, I think, between two people or two things. Maybe they could never really open up. They were wishing and hoping that one day, maybe naturally, the stress and tension would end. But they were kind of still hiding their feelings, even though they felt a lot of love. Somebody was in a lot of sadness here and almost went into depression, not making any move, maybe knowing that they had to stop juggling, they had to drop something. And what was the Spirit? What's the Empress all about then? What's this Empress all about? Somebody, I think there was a little bit of holding back from your ends, both of you, because somebody had to go into hermit mode and see what really made them happy, what would give them victory, what they should hold back from, which direction should they go. And I think in all this time there was somebody here wondering what they have to drop in order to move towards what really makes them happy. And this period of time could have been very heavy, Virgo, for this person. Maybe they were ill, with all this overthinking. But I think they're coming out of it now, because I do see a change here. After maybe tapping into their spirituality, maybe this person has healed now, is now coming out of this sleepless night and nights and stress and tension. So Empress and the Seven of Cups. Oh yeah, their choice is clear now. They're absolutely clear, Virgo. Look at this. The minute I say clear, the Ace of Swords came out. Somebody has the clarity now. They know who is their Empress, who is their one, who is the one that they want to move towards. There are no other cups that can ever fulfill this person. They are not confused between any options here. They are not confused. Crystal clear as to who they want to fight for now. Okay, this person has been battered and bruised, but they are ready now. They want to fight for this connection one more time. Why? Because there's so much love here. Big Ace of Cups. Look at this. So Ace of Cups, Spirit. Ace of Cups. somebody's made a very, very firm decision or is going to make a because I'm doing the reading now, so this is either already happened or is going to happen, that somebody is putting an end to all this fickle-mindedness. If they were not making a decision, or if there was confusion, or there was, immaturity involved in this, somebody who's behaving like a spoiled child maybe, all that is coming to an absolute ending, because now the love is taking over and the choice is being made for a renewal of this connection, a rebirth. This is almost like brought from the heavens kind of a match. Or maybe it's the timing is, what's this Lover's card in reverse, Spirit? Lover's card in reverse. Yeah, somebody feels if I don't make that choice now, the love is overflowing first of all. And if I don't make a choice right now, then I'm going to lose a soulmate. I'm going to lose my soulmate connection, and it's going to backfire on me. And that's the reason I think somebody is now making a decision for a rebirth. Judgment. Judgment. Look at the passion. There is Ace of Cups, there's Ace of Wands. The choice has been made. There's a rebirth coming, Virgo. Somebody wants to have a stable new beginning. Page of Pentacles. Let's start from scratch. Let's move past all the hurt, the pain, the conflict. Yes, look at this. Somebody is really, come on. Look at this. I have an Emperor clarified by the Emperor. Okay, so if somebody was the Empress here and they thought the other one was behaving like a spoiled child, my God, is this person leveling up or what? This is a double Emperor. Somebody is coming back in full force to take action now. They want to put a halt to any kind of conflict, any kind of fighting, and they want now things to start moving effortlessly. You are my destiny. This is a destiny card. Then why is the Sun in reverse, Spirit? That's the only thing I'm confused about. Why is the Sun in reverse? Why is the Sun in reverse? Oh. Why is the Sun in reverse? There's happiness, but it's marred a little bit here, Virgo, because as much as this Emperor is now wanting to connect with this Queen of Cups, same Queen of Cups, right? Queen of Cups. I mean, so many repeating cards for you guys, it's unbelievable. This somebody really does want to communicate to this Queen of Cups, but there is the question, I think, of the options. And this could probably, the Justice card is in reverse, right? So something is still off balance. Maybe there is a court case or a divorce that has to happen, or something which will bring justice back in, But right now, justice is in reverse, and there is the question, little confusion maybe about the other options. Maybe there's the third parties, maybe one person is married, has to still go through, a legal separation or something like that. So yes, the Sun is shining. The Sun is always a happy card, Virgo. Sometimes the light is a little bit dimmed, okay, and that only could be because somebody still is confused about dealing with this third party or bringing something back into balance. But communication will begin because the Emperor is coming in with a lot of passion and a lot of love. My God, healing has begun, Virgo. Do give me a thumbs up and let me know what's happening, okay? And newbies, if this is your story, don't forget to subscribe and meet me next time. Love and light. Take care. Namaste.